Hello my dear friends, if you are starting your new school life, there is a very beautiful and specific way to share this news in Facebook. So if you want to share the start of school life post on Facebook, then keep watching this video till the end. So after opening your Facebook profile, click on this box, what's on your mind. So click on it, scroll down a little bit, now click on live event and now select the second option, education. Now select the first option, new school. Click on photos and videos option at the top right corner. It'll redirect you to your phone gallery. Just select the picture that you want to add to your post. And after selecting your pictures, just click on down at the top right corner. Now you gotta write your school name here. So click on this plus icon to write your school name. So just for an example, I'm selecting any of the schools. And just below your school name, you get an option. So just click on this small down arrow icon. And now select high school. And then if you want to write a little bit description about your school, you can write it too. Just click on say something about this. So just write here whatever you want to write. And after writing and adding everything, just click on next button at the top right corner. And now as soon as you click on this post button, your started school life post will be shared to the public. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.